G'day everyone, Daniel Anderson here with a quick video, non-Copilot or Microsoft related, but with a how did I use AI type of video today. In this case, I am using Claude Code inside of Visual Studio Code that is helping me find duplicate images and then also verify that they are duplicates and then remove them from my image folder. And there's a format that I'm looking for. So it's a bracket with a 1 in it, and I'm looking for the original file. So I want to understand, and I've got Claude Code looking at a folder. It reasons over that folder, finds all the duplicates, and you're about to see that I'm about to delete all of these duplicate files. So let's have a look at the bit of a chat history here. So I'm inside of Visual Studio Code, and it says here, I want to remove all the copies or duplicates on files in this folder. So I've opened up the folder, I've opened up and using Claude Code locally on my PC, and I've given it the format that I want it to look for. And it has written all the code, all the PowerShell, everything for me. And I'm just about to hit delete. I've verified everything. So it's found 408 duplicate files, and it's giving me an option, delete all the ones or provide a summary of what was deleted. So I am going to say, I would like to proceed with option 1. But I would also like a summary of what you deleted, please. All right, and let's send that. So similar to Copilot, we're having a conversation with our agent. All right, so in this case, our agent is Claude Code, not Copilot, but it is a similar concept, right? So we're not having or not using that one shot, trying to do everything all at once. We're going step by step, and in this case, I'm first of all finding everything, I'm then verifying everything, and then I am deleting everything, right? So it's a step-by-step process. So we can see here, it's written the PowerShell, it's starting the deletion, and the deletion has completed successfully 408 duplicates, no errors. What was deleted? It's created a log file of all the deleted files, and it's saved to this file, this location here. So let's have a look and get this location. All right, so I've just opened up my directory here. Now let me just find this. I'm going to go to list. I'm going to go, where is it saved it into? So here's the log file. All right, so you can see every file that was deleted has been added to the log file. All right, so there we go. How I used AI today, Claude Code inside of Visual Studio Code to help me manage all of my duplicate files on my PC.